Good afternoon, YouTube friends. Once again, we just finished harvesting our fermented amino acid right there beside our house, and here we're filming about our lime tree, YouTube friends. And as you can see earlier, we have a lot of fruits going on here into this small lime tree that we planted right here into this 1.5 gallon pot. It's very small, but we have this massive fruits that we have right here, and I'm thinking of transferring this lime tree that we have right here to this 8 gallon pot, as the roots will have more room to roam around beneath and can absorb more nutrients, and this 8 gallon pot can hold more and lots of nutrients as well compared to this 1.5 gallon pot. And of course, YouTube friends, you might be asking me, what is my secret to have this lots and lots of fruits to this lime tree that we have right here, YouTube friends? So I'll be showing in this on the screen that fermented amino acid that we just harvested today, that is rich in phosphorus, and also fermented fruit juice that we just uploaded in YouTube a few days ago, that is rich in potassium. Potassium is responsible for flowering and for fruiting of your plants or even your fruit trees, so like what we have here, our lime tree. And phosphorus is responsible in strengthening your flowers to succeed into a healthy fruit. So that is why we have lots of successful fruits that we have here from flowers, because of the two combination of organic fertilizers that we made right here at our home. That is fermented fruit juice rich in potassium, and fermented amino acid that is rich in phosphorus. Fermented amino acid is fish and molasses being fermented together for 1 month or 30 days, and fermented fruit juice, which is from different kinds of fruits and molasses that is being fermented in 1 month as well. So the two combination of fertilizers can give you a lot of produce, YouTube friends, in your different plants, especially your fruit trees and even your plants that are giving fruits like tomatoes, eggplants, and palaya, or any kind of vegetables or plants that are producing fruit. So that's it, YouTube friends, and I'll show you later once we transfer this one into the bigger pot. A lot of decomposers that we have right here that is helping us to have this fertile compost that we have here. It's a mix of different food crops and cow's manure. Now we're going to transfer here, YouTube friends, our lime tree that we planted into this 1.5 gallon pot into this 8 gallon pot right here. And of course, we need to be careful, since this lime tree that we have here bearing a lot of fruits, so we have to be very, very careful upon transferring this one into this bigger pot. Kind of difficult, but we have to be very, very careful and gentle to our precious lime tree. We successfully transfer it to friends, our lime tree, and we'll add more soil here, and we've got this empty 1.5 gallon pot we'll add more soil to that. And here, YouTube friends, we will add some healthy compost to our newly transferred lime tree into this bigger pot. The thing that I'm worried about is during the time of our transition, because we're just renting this place, and once we move out, we have to carry manually all these small fruit trees that we planted into this bigger pot, and we'll be spending money for the cargo because we have to rent a big truck to carry all these stuffs with us. So it's really difficult if you don't have your own place, if you keep renting. So that's the challenge there. I don't want to leave this place, but the owner of this house won't give us any extension of our contract, rental contract. So we cannot do anything because we're just renting here. And we will be fertilizing this newly transferred lime tree, YouTube friends, with the phosphorus and the potassium rich organic fertilizer that we just harvested this afternoon to strengthen more of the incoming flowers. And like this, there are still a few buds here and more tiny fruits that are still developing, and we'll have to supply and support them by feeding this plant with organic fertilizer that is rich in potassium and phosphorus. The more of these tiny fruits will succeed into a healthy, good size lime fruit. Okay, that's it, YouTube friends. And again, I'd like to say thank you for stopping by and watching our videos. And if you love watching videos like this, I hope that you will consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. And please leave your comment on the comment section to help the algorithm of the YouTube. And of course, hit the like button and kindly hit the click all at the notification bell so that you will always be updated whenever we upload our next episode, or next video, or next content to our backyard gardening. And of course, if you're a comeback subscribers, thank you for joining us in our journey to organic gardening. And again, I want to see you all in the next episode. See ya.